This is one of the easiest and quickest ways to make money online with this brand new website that we never used before. All you have to do is copy and paste the free text, no affiliate links, no CPA links, and no selling of any kind of products. This website is paying people all over the world. This Make Money Now to the channel, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button. And if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So this is the actual website to which you will need to sign up. This is the website that will pay you, and they will not be paying you in points, coins, or gift cards. But they will give you real cash which you can then spend on whatever you want to make money with this website. You will need to use some strategies which I will be showing you in this video. Because if you just go straight to this website and you try to do it on your own, then it's going to take you a lot of time. It's going to require a lot of effort, a lot of skills, and a lot of experience. But I'm going to show you how you can get all of that done for absolutely free. I'll explain to you step by step on how to do this. The website is called ClearVoice. And this is already at clearvoice.com. And according to SimilarWeb, this website is being visited by over 600,000 people every single month. So that means there's a lot of money to be made with this website. I'll explain to you what you will need to do with this website to make decent amount of money. ClearVoice is a platform where entrepreneurs and business owners come to get written articles done for them. They will pay freelancers like me and you to write different articles for them. And I'm going to show you how you can get those articles for absolutely free and not from those PLR websites or whatsoever, because that doesn't necessarily work anymore. I'm going to show you a unique strategy to get those articles, to get new and fresh articles every single time. So you can get paid hundreds of dollars. Because for each article that you copy and paste from the resources, which I'm about to give you, you can get paid hundreds of dollars. And you can do it again and again for basically unlimited times. You just need a couple of sales to get hundreds if not thousands of dollars every single day. So it's a powerful strategy. So pay close attention to every step. The first thing which you will need to do is to come over to clearvoice.com, then hover your mouse right here where it says Talent Network. And you will be able to see that people are writing articles within all of these categories. You have advertising, marketing, finance, healthcare, software, retailers, and much more. So you have all the different categories and all the different niches which you can think of on this website. But what you will need to do is click on the Join Talent Network right here. So you can get started, and you can get started by entering your first name, entering your last name, and clicking on Get Started. Now, you can either sign up with your Twitter account, Google account, or by signing up manually with your email. Once you sign up for a brand new free account on purevoice.com, this is how it's going to look like. This is your account right here. You will be able to see your name, and this is your profile picture. You can of course change your profile picture and put your own, and then you can add a background image. You can add more of your social accounts. The more of them you add, the higher your chances of getting hired, and the more money you will be able to make. Now first I want to show you different things. You can set your rate. You decide how much you want to get paid. So whether you want to get paid $100 per article, $200 or $300 per article, you can set your rates, and you will get paid quickly, which means you will not have to wait for weeks or months to get paid. ClearVoice freelancers are paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. Work with the client confidence. You'll get paid on time. So they won't be late with their payments or whatsoever. They're reliable. And if we score a little bit down, you'll be able to see other people that are doing the exact same thing. So let me just show you as an example. I will open up this person's CV so you can see what they're doing and how they're making their money. So if I open up their profile, you will be able to see all of these different articles that this person wrote and made hundreds of dollars for every single one of those articles. All these simple articles are making money every single day. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same thing. So this is just proof that other people are also making money with this website. Before we proceed, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and leave a comment down below. So now I want you to go back to your account. So you can get started by setting up your account. So you can start making your money. Here on the right hand side, you will be able to see my CV completion. I need to complete it to 100%. So I can actually start making my money. And to do so I would need to improve my CV. So I would need to click Add Content right here in the right corner at the bottom, so I can start adding those articles. But how do I get those articles done? How can you get those articles done for absolutely free with no previous writing skills or whatsoever? Here's exactly how, and just follow every step. First of all, what you will need to do is head over to google.com. That's step number 1 of getting those articles done for absolutely free. Now you want to think of what article you want to write, what category you want it to be in. So it can be anything from health, relationships, business, finance, weight loss, fitness, fishing, gaming, whatever niche or whatever category you can find in a clear voice. You can write an article about that category and related to that niche. So let's say, for example, I'm going to be writing a finance article. What I can simply search on Google is different keywords related to that specific topic. For example, finance tips for small business owners, and then Google is going to give you all of these different recommendations. Now, that's going to give me 1,000s of different articles that are available on Google. So you can go through all of these different articles, you can find which one you think is the best. And you will always have new and fresh articles to find on Google. Because as you can see, these are all the latest articles from this year alone. And it's only going to refresh like almost every single day. You will have new articles on all these different topics and all these different niches and categories. But here's the catch. You will not be able to just copy and paste that article from Google because you would get a copyright claim. And that can be a huge issue. And we want to avoid that. What you can do is just find an article that you think is a really good one, which you think is a good fit. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use this one. You can go even to the second or third page of Google and find an article that you like. Once you do, I want you to copy at least one part of it. So you will copy this part and use an external platform called spinbot.com. Spinbot is a free online tool, which is going to rewrite those articles in your own words. It's going to do it for you free of charge. There's no need to even sign up for it. You can just go over to spinbot.com PC article in the box and scroll a little bit down, fill out the CAPTCHA. Click go right here, wait for a couple of seconds. And now the Spinbot tool will be write that for me in my own words. So I can use that article on the other websites. It becomes my unique article. As you can see here, it has already been rewritten. So now you will need to proceed to step number 3, which is to open up Google Docs. So go over to docsgoogle.com, create a new document, go back to Spinbot, copy that part that is rewritten by Spinbot and paste it into Google Docs, then proceed to change more parts of that specific article, which you found in Google. So now it's going back to tip number 1, I can copy this, go back to Spinbot, and pretty much repeat the same process until you have the entire article rewritten for you by spinball.com. So you want to rewrite the entire article and paste it into Google Docs. Once you're done. Once you have an entire article, we would advise Spinbot and paste it into Google. Step number 4 is to click on File right over here. Go to Download and download it as a PDF document. Then just go back to purevoice.com. Open up your profile and click on Add Content right here. So you can add your PDF file, click on the Upload file right here. Find that article on your computer, double-click on it until it loads, and here now you will select the category of your article. So my article is all about finance. I can search for that. I will select business finance and personal finance, then file out these other boxes. I will choose a copy editor, and then on the content type, it's going to be an article. Then you can write a brief description of it and just hit update. The more of these articles you add, the more money you will be able to make. And of course, make sure to name your article. Don't leave it as an untitled document, because obviously that's not how it works. You will need to give it an exact title, so the more of them you add, the more you will fill out your profile, and with more articles, the more money you will be able to make. Once again, to repeat the process from this video, go over to Google to do your research, find those articles, copy and paste them into Spinbot first, get them rewritten, and then paste them into Google Docs and download them as PDF files. It's as simple as that. It can make you some decent amount of side income. So I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today. This is Make Money Now on the next video. Bye.